The country of Norway, Scandinavia at its finest, beautiful lands, beautiful people. And speaking of the people of Norway, a community that loves both electric vehicles and oil. Because believe it or not, guys, America, you can actually like both oil and green energy. Amazing thought, isn't it? It can actually happen. Because a recent poll of Norstat carried out by Norwegian broadcaster NRK showed this week that 55% of respondents wanted Norway to continue oil exploration, this while 32% they were against it. Now, there is an election coming up in September, and that's something to keep in mind, and already surveys are saying that the current regime will lose, but will that really be the case? In addition, let's say that the leftist and climate-conscious coalition takes control of the nation of Norway. The challenges they would face to change the current pro-oil government, that would be very rough, because Norway is one of Europe's richest countries thanks to decades of oil revenues that amassed, and the world's largest sovereign wealth fund with $1.3 trillion in assets and holdings of 1.4% of all of the world's listed companies. Yes, Norway. And by the way, Western Europe's biggest oil and gas producer, Norway. And that's why its current government is now saying it's doubling down on oil development and continues to consider oil exploration and production a critical part of the Norwegian economy and income, showing to the world now that there is indeed a place for both oil and green energy, because guess what? Both can work side by side. Leading the way, I guess. From out on Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.